Dom Chu joins us now for today's Market Navigator. What you got, my friend?
So we're not looking at the big tech, which is powering that NASDAQ trade, but we're checking out the financial sector, which has outperformed broadly over the S&P 500 year to date. But like everything else, technological, political disruption could come quickly next year and beyond. So which names are the best positioned to continue higher in 2025? Joining us now, fresh out of that two-day big Goldman Sachs Financials Conference, is Macrae Sykes, portfolio manager over at the Gabelli Funds. Macrae, thank you very much for being here with us. I can see the buzz around you right now. So as a portfolio manager who is listening to all of these chief executives telling their stories, what stood out to you at the GS Financials Conference this week?
Well, we heard from a number of industries within financial services. I would just highlight a couple. First, Bill Demchak, who's been in the business for a long time at PNC, basically presented a plan to his board and said it was the most robust plan he's seen in many years. And that includes many tailwinds in terms of NII over the next couple of years as they roll off old securities and put on new securities at a higher coupon. So that was a very bullish report from him. Secondly, in the insurance business, I listened to a conversation with W.R. Berkley, CEO Rob Berkley, and continued progress in the insurance business. They're doing ROEs of 18 to 20%. It's trading at 13 times, so we still see very good value there. And then American Express, one of my favorite CEOs, Steve Squeri, entrepreneurial management team, great brand, good update on consumer spending, going to restaurants, and there's a firm that's trading at below market multiple and growing EPS at 15% with pretty good visibility.
All right, Macrae, so you're going to tell your traders to do some stuff. What is the trade in financials for 2025?
Well, I think, we're jumping off a pretty good point in terms of our asset levels. The stock market, the shares are up, or the industry's up about 35%. In our ETF, we're up about 50%. But we're still finding, values here and opportunities, as I mentioned before. But I also think that there's going to be tailwinds in terms of capital markets next year, IPOs coming, engagement, et cetera. So that will power the markets and lift rates lift returns even further. So I think everybody's going to be pretty excited to get back to work right after January, especially in capital markets.
All right, there you go. The capital markets trade. Thank you very much, Macrae Sykes up at Gabelli. Happy holidays. We'll see you soon, sir.
And thank you, Dom, as well. Kelly, back to you.